Getting ethics approval for your research is one of the most critical and often most stressful steps in any study. You need to fill out long application forms, write multiple sections according to strict committee requirements, and ensure every detail is correct before submission. Today, I'm going to show you how ScholarForge Academy's Ethical Clearance Writer can take the complexity out of this process and help you generate a complete, committee-ready ethics application in minutes. When you open the Ethical Clearance Writer, the first thing you see is the configuration panel. This is where you tell the system what kind of ethics committee you're applying to. ScholarForge supports 5 major ethics board types: generic IRB for General Institutional Review, National Ethics Committee, NIMR Tanzania, NATHREC, with 17 full sections, UDSMM CHAS, Research and Ethics Committee, and WHO/International Ethics Review. Each template is pre-built to match the exact requirements of that committee, including the correct sections, word limits, and official form references. You can also upload your institution's specific guidelines as a PDF, Word file, or plain text, and the system will automatically detect and structure the sections from your document. Once you've selected your ethics board, scroll down to fill in your study details. Enter your document title. This will appear automatically on the cover page of your downloaded application. Then, add your authors and their institutional affiliations. You can add as many co-investigators as your study requires. In the study description field, describe your study's objectives, design, methods, data collection procedures, and study population. This information will be used by the AI to generate all your sections accurately. You'll also find a dedicated key details panel for your principal investigator's name, co-investigators, supervisor, and department, exactly as required by the committee's application form. If you already have a research proposal, you can upload it directly. ScholarForge will extract the relevant content automatically to further personalize your application. When everything is filled in, click Next, Review Structure to proceed. This is where ScholarForge really shines. The review structure page shows you all the sections your application will contain, organized exactly as required by your chosen ethics committee. For NIMR Tanzania's NATHREC, you get 17 comprehensive sections, covering everything from the MRCC application form and protocol summary to informed consent in both English and Kiswahili, risk-benefit assessment, data management, community engagement, study budget, timeline, and the NATHREC submission checklist. Each section comes with a preset word count, but you can adjust these freely. You can also remove sections that don't apply to your study, or add entirely new custom sections using the Add Section button at the bottom. Once you're satisfied with the structure, click Start Generating, and the AI begins writing your application section by section. As ScholarForge generates each section, you can follow the live progress indicator at the top of the page. Completed sections are shown with green check marks below, while the current section being written is highlighted. When all 17 sections are complete, you arrive at the final application page. Here you'll see your complete document, over 6,000 words, ready for review. One feature I particularly want to highlight is the Cross-Ref Reference Verification panel. ScholarForge automatically checks every reference in your document against the Cross-Ref database. Verified references are marked with a green tick. Any reference that couldn't be verified is flagged with a warning, so you know exactly which ones to double-check manually before submission. You can download the full application as a formatted Microsoft Word document, with your institution name, study title, proper headings, professional tables for risk assessment and data management, and a fully completed NATHREC submission checklist. What used to take days of formatting, cross-referencing committee guidelines, and drafting section after section, ScholarForge completes in just a few minutes. The output is committee-ready, professionally formatted, and tailored to your specific ethics board's requirements. Whether you're submitting to NIMR Tanzania, UDS MMCHAS, or any international ethics committee, ScholarForge Academy's Ethical Clearance Writer is designed to save you time and help your research move forward. You can also request to include your institutional review board templates at admin@scholarforge.academy. To get started, visit scholarforge.academy. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe, and drop a comment below with any questions. I'll see you in the next one.